Hey team, harryviral here. Welcome back now. Today, due to the recent global impact of this pandemic on small and local businesses, we have decided to create an easy to follow tutorial on how to use Zoom. Now Zoom is essentially a simplistic and powerful video conferencing software. Now many of us are required to work from home or to self-isolate, and therefore we want to show you how you can move your physical meetings and conferences online in order to remain productive, connected, and of course safe. All right, before we jump over to this video conferencing software called Zoom, feel free to subscribe to this channel and tap the bell icon, and that way we will stay updated with news and practical videos aimed at helping your small or local business thrive online. Alright, that's it. Let's jump to the Zoom. Here we are at the Zoom website. Now Zoom is a video conferencing software that allows for online collaboration between up to 1,000 video participants and over 10,000 viewers. Now individuals can simply click a link or add a meeting ID to join any meetings. Also, participants can join with their video on or off and or share their screen with their other meeting participants. So firstly, what we are going to do is take you through hosting a meeting. Then following this, we are going to show you how to simply join an existing meeting so that another individual is hosting. Okay, so first thing we want to do before we talk about hosting a meeting is we need to sign up. So we will sign up first. So we are going to sign up here, and then it will ask for verification. We will be verified by our birthday. I will I'll write down my birth date and then continue. And then for sign up, I will sign up with my Google account, and I will sign up with my this account, and it almost done. I have signed up from my Google account, and then so you want to choose email that you want to use for. I am using my account and need to click create account. Now welcome to our Zoom dashboard. Now things is where you can manage your recordings. You can see previous meeting, you can see your personal meeting rooms, meeting templates. But we are going to keep this tutorial extremely simple, and we are just going to talk about hosting a meeting and then being able to join a meeting, so you can share your link with other participants to join the meeting that you want to host. Okay, so now that we jumped into our Zoom dashboard, we want to head over to host our meeting, and then you can and this is video that you are going to see when you are when you have your video on. So what we are going to do is quickly go through a few of the options that we can see below the video, and we are going to guide you through each important elements so that you can make the most of your conference or your online meeting. So firstly, if you pop over to the left hand side, you can choose to mute yourself so that you cannot talk anymore and other participants cannot hear you. Then you can click to unmute. Then if you pop across here, you can also choose to stop your other participants, and then you can click on this start video, or in video you can do your as you like, and you can choose even your virtual background of your face background. You can change your background and work on it, which I have kept last video in my channel. You can see from there, and then we will go over this participants, and I will show you all participants will show here. And even you can see here mute, unmute. You can unmute all or mute all, and even you can rename your name from here. So I am renaming my harryviral, and you can see here harryviral is renamed, and all the participants list will be shown here. And you in chats you can chat to anybody which you are. For the participants, you can chat to everyone, or you can personally chat, and even you can send your file from your laptop to the user participants, and you can invite from here also to the new participants, and you can even mute all the participants as you like. Even you can lock the meeting. Even you can play sound when someone joins or leaves. You can for notification you can do this, and this is very important features which any new entry participants come up in this conference, they will be muted automatically. You can take this, and you can see here all the new participants will be muted. So I'll be continue this, and this feature is very beneficial. And come down to share screen. Even you can share your screen from, you can see here the options. So you can see share your screen, whiteboard screen, or anything from iPad or whiteboard or screen. So I will be sharing this, and you can see here all the sharing are you are screen sharing, stop share. You can see here all the pop-ups are shown here. From this way you can share your screen also, and it's quite similar. And for now I'm going to stop share, and after that even you can record this computer which what are happening here. You can recording is started, and then you can see your recording is started. Even you can pause or stop, and for you are muted for recording, mute will be enabled. And after that you can choose your continue without audio or unmute myself. Here is option what you want, you can do from here. And after that it's recording. Even you can stop, and it's stopped again. If you want to record, then from here you can again record, and this is recording once again. After that if you want to in this meeting, then you can just click here end, and after that you can in the meeting for all. And here is one security. You can check your security. All participants can be share your screen, can be looked all themselves, or you can even keep your secret what can participants do, what criteria they are going to have. So you can fix by yourself as you are host. So even you can see here this meeting topics is my which I've created is horizontal Zoom meeting, and I'm the host of this meeting. And if I have to share this link directly to get participant, then I will share this copy this link and share to anybody, and they will be directly connected to my meetings. And it's quite very simple. And for app, you can participant ID will be this, which will be meeting ID, and after that password will be this one. So even you can share this, and it's quite simple. So even you can share with your mobile, and it is very easy to access from mobile or desktop, laptop, um, even in the website. So you can share or you invite others from here also. So now I'll go to show you an premium price of this. Okay, for today I will be leaving this video till this much. So I hope you like this video. So if you have learned something from this, I will be very grateful, and please subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this. And I hope I will be sharing video every day. So please support to my channel and subscribe to my channel and share this video.